Hi, good afternoon. Uh, there is a five question here. I don't know, maybe for the school reference or school project, whatever. So I will be answer in a nice way in my own words, in my own experience. Okay. One is how long have you stayed in abroad? I've been here in 23 years, 23 years, long years. Or what are the purpose for you stay there? My purpose is to, of course, to help my family para makatulong sa pamilya, but not necessary or kailangan. But then I have to. And then also my what do you call this? My goal or my advocacy to help the people who helped me during my stay in Palawan. So teach I teach there in Liminangkong National High School. So now I want to pursue or to give them back what they have been good to me. Now they are now sila yung mga anak ng mga student ko before. So I try to help them in my own little way para ma-experience nila yung hindi na experience ng mga parents nila before, kasi I see how they hirap, kung paano yung buhay sa probinsya before. So I want to go experience the good ones, kahit paano maibigay ko yung dapat. Hindi man lahat, pero I'll always do my best to be to be happy with what I have doing with them now, especially my isko now. I always remind them that life is not easy to carry on, so study hard and work for it, and then near future you have to have a good future. Okay, what are your most unforgettable experience there? I have so many unforgettable experience here in abroad or in Dubai. So I think no need to mention all because it's too much. We cannot finish if I have to tell all the things that I've done here. But the most I cannot forget is one only is the singing job before. It's difficult. It's easy, but it's difficult to find the good ones. That's it. How will you describe them, the good or bad? How you can compare the Philippines with the other countries? I think good good in many ways. It's not bad because they all here for work, for happenings, for fun. Yeah, it's a good one, not bad one. I think so. In my own. Do you want to go back to other country, or no. Do you want to go back abroad to the other country in the future? I think no. If I have a chance, if I still young, why not? I can go any part of any part of the country. So but now I think no, because I'm old enough already, so it's better to go back home to stay there and together with my families, friends and relatives, and all of them. I miss them a lot because I stay for half of my life in abroad, so no need, I think so. And then how I compare the Philippines to the other country. Philippines is good one, but in many aspect of life you will choose the other country to survive. I think to survive, and then and good good income. I think so. Yes, most of most of the people or most of the Filipinos is wish to go abroad because there's a lot of opportunity. I will not tell that Philippines is bad, but um, only the Philippines have the sparn. But in other way, I don't know. I don't know. Maybe in my opinion, it's better to go other country rather than to stay in the Philippines, especially if you have the family or whatever. I think. I hope I answer all the questions that you've been given to me, and thank you, especially to my friend ex Isko, uh, friends, Renz, no, not Renz, Rex rather. Okay, thank you.